Zilliqa price prediction 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be looking at Zilliqa's breakout. Zilliqa is trying to break out again. So if you already own Zilliqa or staking Zilliqa, I'll be sharing with you some price targets for Zilliqa. If you're looking to buy Zilliqa, I'll be sharing with you exactly how to get into Zilliqa, a trade strategy to get into Zilliqa. We'll also look at how we've traded Zilliqa previously with entry, stop loss, and targets in the Rockstar Trading Group to use that information to trade Zilliqa again. So I'll be sharing with you our exact strategies to buy Zilliqa if you have not bought Zilliqa. We'll also look at some news in Zilliqa. Zilliqa is one of the more popular coins, and we'll touch on Zilliqa staking as well. Zilliqa staking is very popular, and this has definitely helped push the price of Zilliqa. Zilliqa has been one of the most bullish coins. People talk to me about my crazy price predictions, but Zilliqa is up over 3,000, 4,000% since last year. So we'll have a look at all of that. Let's get straight into the video. So Zilliqa, guys, had hit our main target 10 cent near end of last year. The way we've been trading Zilliqa since it broke out above 3 cent, that was my main breakout zone. Make sure you watch the previous videos. I shared exactly my trading strategies on Zilliqa before they broke out, so they're not after the fact. So Zilliqa, once it broke out of 30 cent, we've been trading that. Then it came up to here. This was my main target at 5 cent from 3 cent level. I sold 75% of my position. Back then, around this time, I took another position in Zilliqa. It was this pullback. Zilliqa, you can see Zilliqa, I was posting exactly how I was trading this roll 18th of December. If you are interested in checking out our groups, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer for you to join to trial us for a 1 month. This special offer is just for this month. You can get the live streams, Telegram group, Facebook group, all of that for less than $30. I'll leave the links below if you're interested. But let's get into the video now. So that's all great. That's great, Rocco. Zilliqa pumped. What to do now? So Zilliqa is breaking out above the 10 cent level, and as long as Zilliqa is above 10 cent level, I'd look to buy. So if you're not long Zilliqa, you could look to buy Zilliqa with a stop loss below 7 cent, and if it starts breaking below 10 cent, 9 cent, then look to exit. If not, if it's great. If you are looking to take a trade, my trade setup is when it breaks out above 12 cent and gives a pullback. The exact trade setup I shared with you back in 19th of December. We can see the pullback. This is my entry, and then if it breaks out, pulls back, we look to get in again and take some profit. So this is exactly where I'd look to trade Zilliqa if I was looking to trade Zilliqa. But from if you like Zilliqa fundamentally, or if you're staking Zilliqa, as long as Zilliqa is above 10 cent, I really like it. Even if it pulls into 9 cent, a spike is fine. What I won't like is if Zilliqa starts breaking down, trend changing below 9 cent. If not, I'm bullish Zilliqa, and I'm still holding 10% of that Zilliqa trade. I've taken more positions, but that position that I took, I still own some Zilliqa, because in a bull run, guys, we don't know how high things can go. We've seen it with Cardano, we're seeing it with Bitcoin, and potentially with Chainlink, VeChain. Again, check out our other videos. But that's how I'd look to trade Zilliqa. Again, if it starts getting below 9 cent, I'm wrong. If not, pump it. You know, I said the same thing previously when we broke out above 5 cent. I said stop loss below 4.2 cent. As long as it's above there, I'm long. So I'm sharing that thing again. And as traders or investors, all we can do is get into good high probability positions. If it works out, we make money. If it doesn't, starts dumping like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, we cut our losses soon. Make sure you have a strategy. Again, I'm repeating myself. Whether you want to follow our strategy or you want to have your own strategy, please don't trade with your emotions. Please have a strategy and follow that strategy. So let's have a look at some news before I touch on some price targets. So Zilliqa network easily scales to 34x. Zilliqa has already achieved what Ethereum 2.0 is trying to build, created with the sole purpose to scale. Zilliqa is one of the projects that is facilitating blockchain enterprise adoption. So again, this is a really good news to see. The fixes the long undetected bug. There's lots of partnership, and ZIL swap. That's DeFi and ZIL swap are another amazing. If you look at Uniswap, Zilliqa is trying to do something similar. We like to see adoption, and we can see Zilliqa is tokenizing whiskey on its blockchain. And the main thing in cryptocurrency now, we don't want to see more partnerships and more hypes. We want to see actual adoption, and we can see the luxury item and blockchain technology Zilliqa is getting involved with. So this is something I'm really liking. Some of this news on Zilliqa. The other key news is staking. Comment below if you want me to make a staking video on Zilliqa. A few people message me, and I'm not an expert on staking, but if you are interested, let me know. I can talk about APYs and how to stake, and how much money to use. If you're interested in that, comment below. I'm happy to make a video just on Zilliqa Zilliqa staking, how do I stake, how much to stake, how much you earn, and some of the websites to use. Comment below, I'll make a video. But if we look at staking, the return of interest, and people staking, they're thinking long term, and staking takes away supply from the market, and that really helps the price. So I think Zilliqa is one of the probably the best performing coins, I think, that's done staking quite well. There's other coins that staking has helped, but Zilliqa for me has done quite well. That's the news bit. Now the fun bit, the price targets. I'll make a separate video on crazy price targets. People like to get to know my crazy price targets. But what I like in Zilliqa is, guys, it's breaking out above 10 cent. The previous highs is around 20 cent. If it can hold above there, it's like the 50 cent zone in Cardano. So the 10 cent zone is like the 50 cent zone in Cardano. So if it has a big push up, there's news coming out as well on the network. Again, this is positive news. I like news and fundamentals to work together. I think the 20 to 25 cent level and this move up is a realistic target in the short term. If it gets into a crazy bull market, we can touch on crazy prediction, 50 cent, $1 level. But for now, Zilliqa has pumped a lot. As long as it stays above 10 cent, I will be targeting this 20 cent zone. So that's my price targets for this push up. If we do get a crazy altcoin season bull market, I'll make crazier videos. But at the moment, let's stay realistic. You guys know, from a trading point of view, that was my main trade. This is where I took most of my profits. This is how I'll trade again. And as I like Zilliqa, I'm holding a little position in Zilliqa, but I don't like to just buy and put all my money in and just hold, because if it starts turning ugly, we've seen it happen in 2018, we don't want to buy the top. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. To end the video, what is your thoughts on Zilliqa? Comment below your price predictions, your price targets, and if you're interested in me making more videos on Zilliqa staking, comment below and let's have a discussion. And if you are interested in taking your trading to the next level, I'll leave the links below. You can check out that special month offer that we've got for the month of February. If you are interested, you can trial everything for $30. If the way the market is going, if it carries on going, this is a great opportunity for you to educate yourself and take advantage. We've waited 4 years for this market. If we don't know when we'll get it again. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Zilliqa.